Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The two-day workshop on Tawhidic Epistemology that is on the yesterday and today is very important to the whole university, in particular to the Kuantan campus, which we now have named as IIUM Center for Natural and Health Sciences. This center is the umbrella covering 6 kuliah and 1 institute, which is Penelitian. So the two-day workshop is basically to continue with what we have been doing before on the concept of Tawhidic Epistemology. But the emphasis here into the last 2 days is basically the application of that Tawhidic Epistemology to the various categories of sciences, mainly for natural and sciences, but also there are several speakers who talk about knowledge in general that includes the social and human sciences. But really the main focus is for the academics in the Kuantan campus. So through the presentation by several speakers and panelists in a few forums, basically the speakers emphasize the how Tawhidic Epistemology can guide teaching, can guide research, professional advancement for the basically for the academics in Kuantan and Kuantan campus. The aspect on teaching is very important, and of course how to ensure that the development of the curriculum or the curricula in the different kuliah basically in conformity with the requirements of Tawhidic Epistemology. Hopefully, inshallah, through this two-day workshop, the academics who participated understand better what to be expected from them with regard to teaching methodology, with regard to curricula, with regard to research. So I think that's basically what the workshop is all about, and I'm very happy with the participation, the level of participation, basically the questions that were posed by participants to the speakers. I think this is another step forward in the implementation of Tawhidic Epistemology.